If you've ever wanted to run a powerful AI on your own computer, completely free, completely private, what I'm about to show you changes everything. This is llama.cpp on GitHub, the engine that powers most local AI tools. Links in the description. Let me show you why this project matters. Here it is. Enable LLM inference with minimal setup and state-of-the-art performance on a wide range of hardware. ChatGPT-like AI on your machine. No subscriptions, no cloud. Pure C++ with zero dependencies. GPU support for NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. And this, quantization from 1.5-bit to 8-bit. That's how massive models shrink to fit on regular hardware. Here's the magic. CPU plus GPU hybrid inference. If a model's too big for your graphics card, it automatically uses your RAM. Works perfectly on my RTX 2060. Metal for Mac, Vulkan cross-platform. Support for whatever hardware you've got. In the Hot Topics section, we can find a link to official WebUI guide. Click on it. Look at these features. Excellent performance on all hardware, parallel user support, huge for running multiple chats, and 100% privacy. 3 steps. Get llama.cpp, run one command, open your browser. We're using the download method, easiest approach. The releases page, pre-built packages for every platform. Mac users look for macOS-ARM64. Windows NVIDIA, WinCUDA. AMD, WinHip. No GPU, WinCPU. I'm grabbing the CUDA version, 175 megabytes. Download done. Here's the zip contents, DLLs, executables. The important one is Llama server. Extract all in whatever folder you like. I made a new folder on desktop for convenience. That's your installation. Delete the folder to uninstall, nothing else needed. Command prompt in the folder you created. For this, you can click the address bar, type cmd, enter. Here's the command. Llama server starts the local server. -hf, followed by this path, tells it to download the model directly from Hugging Face. That's the largest repository of AI models. No need to download files manually. Copy it, switch back to the terminal, paste, and press enter. And watch, it connects to Hugging Face and starts downloading. About 11 gigabytes for this 20 billion parameter model. This only happens the first time. After that, the model is cached locally. So next time you run this command, it starts instantly. Server listening on 127.0.0.1:8033. That's our address. Open it in your browser using Control+click. Welcome to your private AI. Looks like ChatGPT, right? But this runs entirely on your machine. Here's Task Manager. Control+Shift+Escape to open. Memory at 96% with the model loaded, GPU working. Your computer's doing all the thinking. Type hello, enter, processing. And there's our response. Private, yours. Here's what sets llama.cpp apart from tools like Ollama. I'm opening 2 chats. Why is the sky blue? And what is a black hole? Both submitted almost simultaneously. See? Both processing at once. This is parallel processing. Most tools handle one request at a time. I have a separate video on Ollama if you want to compare. Link in the description. If this is helpful, hit subscribe for more local AI tutorials. Done. About 10 tokens per second, over 1,100 tokens. I sped up some parts. Real time takes more, and I respect your time. Click the attachment icon. I'm selecting this PDF, Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Here's what's inside. Article 5 is about torture. Let's see if the AI can find it. What says Article 5? No one shall be subjected to torture or cruel treatment. Exactly right. Document Q&A running locally. Your files never leave your computer. This is powerful for developers and automation. I'm giving the model a JSON template as an example. Title, director, year, genres as an array. And asking it to fill in the same structure for a different movie. Perfect JSON. Every field matches the format I specified. This means you can build real applications, parse invoices, extract data from documents, create APIs with predictable output. And look at the terminal. Every request logged like a real web server. Response times, token counts, memory usage. You're running production-grade infrastructure on your desktop. Control+C stops the server. Let's change the model from the initial command with a vision model, only 2 billion parameters. Refresh the page or load a new window. See the vision badge and the new model name? This model processes images. Let's attach a photo. I will attach this llama photo. Fitting, right? Close-up of a llama, shallow depth of field, beige fur. Multimodal AI, running locally. Back to the bigger model, already cached, loads fast. Design a modern responsive HTML page for a web design company. CSS variables, responsive design, clean structure. Here's the killer feature. Click this eye icon. Boom! Live preview right in the chat. Usually, you have to copy the code, save it as an HTML file, open it, check it, realize it's wrong, and repeat. No copy-paste needed here. Full website, hero section, services grid, contact form. Almost production quality in minutes. The code is clean, HTML5, Google Fonts, font awesome. An actually usable design that can be further improved with future prompts. For those wanting more, you can find some advanced configurations on the official GitHub page. Here's what most people with GPUs with low VRAM need. Devices under 16 gigabytes VRAM. The --ncpu-moe flag offloads layers to CPU, less VRAM required. Even 8 gigabytes VRAM can run the 120 billion parameter model. Set 35 CPU layers and it fits. That's llama.cpp. Download, extract, one command. Private AI with parallel chats, document Q&A, vision, live code preview. GitHub linked below. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you're planning to build. I'm really curious. Have fun experimenting!